Everyone. Today I want to talk to you about our project. Our project is Smart Attendance. It calculates the attendance of each student, in which every student must at least attend 75% of the session, and the session starts when the teacher enters the room and it ends when he leaves.
Hello everybody, we use Arduino Uno, okay, and our circuit mainly consists of an LCD which displays certain messages and the count of the number of students attending or the number of students currently in the classroom. Great. Then we have our smoke detector, which mainly acts as a fire alarm or smoke alarm for smoke detection. Okay, and we use a potentiometer which controls the contrast of the display of the LCD. And we use a 220 ohm resistor which supplies the LCD with light. Next we have our buzzer which gets a signal from the smart detector to set to be high, and releases a huge sound. Then we have our RFID, which mainly handles the scanning of the IDs of the teacher and the students. And we have two LEDs. The green LED, when the green LED is lit, it represents that the door is open. While if the red LED is lit, it mainly represents that the door is closed.
I was responsible for the smoke detector part. The smoke detector mainly reads an analog signal and converts it to a digital signal in the code, and it checks this value with a certain threshold, and if this value is larger than the threshold, it should signify that there is smoke in the classroom, and the buzzer does the sound, and the green light which signifies that the door is open, it lights up.
So hello everybody. I scanned the 4 IDs and got for every ID I set a certain person. First the blue one, I set the blue one for a teacher, and the other 3 I set every one to a certain student with each ID to them. And then I scanned them by the RFID scanner and managed it in the code, and set every student to a certain ID and teacher to certain ID. That's it. Now let's test.
My name is Yusuf Salah, and we will start the testing now. The session time begins when the teacher, using this blue ID, swipes first. The door, this red light indicates that the door is closed, and the green one indicates that the door was open. It was open for like half a second. Now the student count on the LCD shows 0 as there are no students in the room. Student 1 will swipe the card now, indicating that it entered. Now the count has changed to 1 as there are only one student in the room. Student 2 will enter now. The door was open and then closed. The count is 2. When student 2 leaves again, the count will decrement. Now student 2 has only attended for 2 or 3 seconds, so he won't get attended at the end. Student 3 will enter now. The count has incremented. We will have to wait for 75% of the tutorial so that student 1 will get the attendance. End when the session now will end when the teacher leaves the room.
As you can see now, to preview our results, we used an external program. It's called TerraTer. It's using to communicate with our serial port. And now we can see the results of the attendance in a text file. Yeah. As you can see, student 1 took the attendance, while 0 and 3 students didn't take any one. And here we list the entering and leaving of students with their exact ID. Thank you.
Since we can't test the smoke detector and burn anything in the classroom due to university regulations, we will just invert the logic in the code, as we will check if the analog signal is less than the threshold, not larger than. So we will see now. And the buzzer turns on, and the green light turns on also, indicating that the door is open, so that every student can leave the room now due to the smoke. And that's it. Thank you, everyone.